The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are certainly some of the most anticipated phones in 2018. We've been speculating about them for months already, and an MWC 2018 unveiling in February is looking increasingly likely. Now, we may have the rest of the key release date details in the bag. According to leaker Evan Blass, citing a C-level executive at a major case maker, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus may be unveiled at MWC and rolled out for pre-order on March 1st, before being officially released on March 16th. This would evenly match up with previous Galaxy S release dates, seeing an unveiling at Mobile World Congress and a launch in the following weeks. February 26 is a Monday, however, and big announcements tend to happen on the Sunday before the grounds officially open to the public. This could cast doubt on the legitimacy of the claim, but it's also possible that the executive has simply received information that suggests the beginning of MWC 2018 as the launch date, which technically would be Monday 26, though it really relates to the earlier press day. Meanwhile, Sam Mobile says its sources have also indicated a March 16 release date, though only for the US and South Korea, with other markets to follow soon afterwards. Either way, it seems like we don't have much longer to wait now for the next flagship phones from Samsung. Anyway guys, what do you think of the upcoming Galaxy S9? Let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for the latest tech news.